mentioned that Abu Jahal comes to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he says, "Oh Muhammad, you claim to be a prophet. Tell me what's in my hand." Now the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was not a fortune teller. However, the help and the aid of Allah was with him. Jibreel alayhi salam used to come and inform the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam about the happenings around him. So he said that there are stones in your hand. Then the Prophet ﷺ said that if these stones speak, will you accept? Abu Jahal, he said, he started to laugh in the face of the Prophet ﷺ, and he said, certainly, really you think these stones can speak? When he opened his hand, each stone was reciting the kalima La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. And this is recorded. This is not fairy tales. This is not just something that was mentioned. People have witnessed this again and again. That's why I tell the youngsters and us as adults, let us read the life of the Prophet ﷺ and read the different incidents that happened in the life of the Prophet ﷺ.